stop. If you're still using one of those loud, clunky nebulizers that sounds like a lawnmower at 2 a.m., we need to talk about the best budget nebulizer that actually makes sense in 2026. Look, I get it. You're either waking up the whole house during treatments, or you're chained to an outlet with a machine that weighs a ton. And don't even get me started on those disposable batteries you're constantly buying. It's honestly ridiculous how much money adds up, right? Here's what changed everything for us. This portable mesh nebulizer is rechargeable, whisper quiet at under 25 decibels, and you can literally use it anywhere. Charge it like your phone, toss it in your bag, and you're done. It's got this self-cleaning mode that takes 5 minutes, so you're not scrubbing tiny parts every single day. The mesh technology actually works better than those old-school models because the particles reach deeper into your airways. We tested it for weeks, and honestly, it just works. Over 4,900 people gave it a 4.3-star rating. Parents use it on their kids at night without waking them up. People literally use it while driving to work. Even works for pets, which is wild. So here's my question for you. What's the one feature you wish your current nebulizer had? Drop it in the comments because I'm curious if we're all dealing with the same frustrations. And if you know someone who's still suffering with a dinosaur nebulizer, tag them right now. Links in our bio if you want to check it out, but honestly, there may be only a few left at this price point. Don't say I didn't warn you.